Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize or add custom instructions to your request on Perplexity AI when communicating with the artificial intelligence in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you'd like to personalize responses and conversations you receive from and have with Perplexity AI, you will need to log into your account and click into your profile icon in the bottom left and navigate to personalization settings here. Here in the personalization settings, you may navigate to custom instructions and, for example, provide information about, if you like, about you. For example, I don't know, give to your artificial intelligence the instruction to use a specific tone or a language, or to include or to consider informations about, I don't know, about your preferences and interests as stated here. So you have up to 1,500 characters for that, to personalize instructions so that the artificial intelligence may include and consider these instructions in future conversations with you. Don't forget to click into save here, or you may clear this and start over. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.